How do I use SEO to build thought leadership? Is that the best path? If you're trying to build thought leadership with SEO, you're going to be disappointed. Traditional SEO was never designed to position people as thought leaders. It was designed to position websites on Google. Now, don't run away yet. SEO died, but there's something better that replaced it. In this episode, you'll understand why SEO doesn't really care about thought leadership, but why AEO, answer engine optimization, is the evolution that actually works and is perfect for thought leadership. You'll come away from this episode knowing how to get your expertise showing up at the top of YouTube, Google, and ChatGPT as the go-to authority. Let's dive right in. So let's talk about SEO. Now, SEO actually doesn't exist anymore for several reasons. One, Google changed a long time ago. The SEO that I used to do, where we would get a web page ranked #1 on Google, that ended back in 2015. But back then I noticed something different. I noticed that a YouTube video was getting 50 times more views alone than this page I had ranking #1 on Google. So I noticed that content was stronger than a website. Now today, you don't even see websites ranked when you do a Google search. You find AI overview, you'll see ads, of course, you'll see YouTube videos, you will see blogs, you'll see Wikipedia, you'll see Reddit. So home pages or promo pages of websites, there's nothing you can do, no type of SEO that will get that ranked on Google. So there are still SEO agencies out there, but they focus on vanity metrics, not actual results, not actual traffic, and not actual authority positioning. You end up with a great looking website or something that no one is visiting. So let's talk about what people think SEO will do, but it doesn't. You might think if my website ranks high, I'll be seen as a thought leader. Well, there's two different things there. Visibility and thought leadership are quite different. People can see you, but not see you as the expert or not trust your authority. So we do want to put you at the top, but we don't just want you to be seen. We want people to trust you and know your expertise. And when they're thinking of that subject, we want them to think of you. Something else you might have heard is that if you put the right keywords in your bios or on your service pages, that it will attract the right people. Yeah, that hasn't worked for over a decade. You might also have been told to put keywords here and to do link building there. That'll strengthen your relationship with this SEO team, but not with any potential clients. So an SEO agency will typically deliver a keyword-heavy website. They'll build link networks and blog farms. They'll create generic blog content, and they'll apply a lot of outdated optimization techniques that search engines don't even use anymore. So now let's talk about what actually works today. Search engine optimization is dead, but there is a new thing called answer engine optimization. What I noticed back in 2013 is that this YouTube video was getting 50 times more views than this page ranking #1 on Google. People wanted content. People wanted an answer. So Google has shifted from a website search engine to a content search engine or an answer search engine. YouTube is an answer engine. ChatGPT is an answer engine. So people go there with their questions and these tools provide the answers. Well, with AI, there's two types of answers you can get. You can get generative content or you can get expert content. We don't want generative content. We don't want AI to make up the answer or to guess or to create something that sounds good. We want real answers. And for real answers, how do we know if it's real? Well, we've got to look at the source. If we hear it from the horse's mouth or we hear it from the human, the expert that knows, that has the biases because they have all the experience and the wisdom, that gives us the full confidence. And so answer engines are getting better and better at finding real experts and just saying, here's a video of somebody that talked about that. Now, in the past, you would take a piece of content and do SEO to it. AEO today looks totally different. You don't create your content until after the strategy's in place. So what the strategy looks like is you dig and you dig and you dig until you find the specific questions that your dream clients are asking when they go to ChatGPT or Google or YouTube. So when you have this really long specific question, that becomes the title of your video, and you know that before you film. But then you hit record on your camera and you answer the very specific question that people are asking. Now you have an answer. And if you post that answer in a place where people can find it, so you can't post it to Facebook or you can't post it to Instagram or to LinkedIn or to X, those places aren't indexed by topic. But if you post it to YouTube, that's indexed. It's searchable on YouTube. it's searchable by Google, it's searchable by ChatGPT. So answer engine optimization just means creating content that provides answers that real people are searching for. You're not actually optimizing for the answer engine, you're optimizing for your dream clients and the questions they're asking. So how do you know if you're a thought leader? Well, when people go to Google, YouTube, or ChatGPT and they're typing in your topic, so not when they type in your name, but when they type in your area of expertise, are you the one ranking at the top? Now you can pre-plan where you'd like to show up. Maybe you type in a topic and you're seeing some of your competitors ranking at the top. We can take a look at that and say, you know what, let's map out exactly how we can get you ranking above them so that you're the one that comes up when your dream clients need help. Now, if you hire a team to help you with thought leadership, the questions that you need to be asking them are what niche are they positioning you in? So not so much how am I going to look, but where are they putting you? And what questions are they optimizing you for? Like, where are you going to show up when people are searching? Do they do anything to track your visibility on ChatGPT or to track your search visibility on YouTube or Google? Do they keep reports to show you that you're ranking higher than your competitors and how things are growing and improving from month to month? If you're serious about becoming a thought leader and you don't want to fall into the traps of SEO gimmicks, you need to be where your dream clients are asking questions. I want to extend a special invitation. Now, I do a live webinar once each week. This is not a sales presentation, but I teach you the strategy and I show you a lot of examples so you can see exactly how this might work for you and how this type of thought leadership can really impact you and your business. So the strategy I teach is called the leaf strategy, as in leaves on a tree. You can go to theleafstrategy.com and you'll see me live and I'll take you behind the scenes and show you all 5 ingredients of the leaf strategy and how we implement it so that you can get these same results for you and your business. I'll see you there.